morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and we are heading out for another amazing, beautiful day in the great state of Texas. We're going to a little car show, a little Connor's pre-mini car show thing up in Plano, and it's almost a little chilly this morning, actually. Kind of weird for the official start of summer. I think that's today or yesterday or something, I don't know. But I'm a little cold. It won't be cold later, I'll be hot. So we're heading out. The neighbor. So heading out, I got a little surprise for everybody today. It has something to do with this trophy. Stay tuned for more on that later. I think everyone's gonna love it. Hopefully it works out. It's a little windy this morning, and those clouds don't look great over that way, but it's not supposed to rain, so I think we're okay. If not, I'm gonna be cold and wet and probably die. But hey, that's good for dramatic effect for the video, right? All right, so we'll see you there in 3, 2. I've attracted a little friend here. I'm not sure why this guy thinks, or girl, thinks that my car is something to land on, but I think he's upset that it's a little chilly out here. So we've made it to our little stop or whatever, or our little meeting point, as Hank backs in. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 9. 9 of us here today. I don't know if anybody else is coming, but we've got a long ride ahead of us. We're gonna go from this parking lot all the way over to the Shark Club, right there. So hopefully we all make it without any issues. We don't get in any wrecks. Should be a good little ride. I started filming a couple seconds late. We've gone from there, snaking our way through the parking lot here, and we're here. So good little ride, you know. It was a fun time. I mean, I think we did 4 or 5 miles an hour actually. I'm being told to move up because we're parking in a certain order. Hi Cammy. So we got some more 3-wheelers showing up. How are you doing? So these guys came to try to steal the show from us here. Are these front wheel drive or rear wheel? They're rear wheel drive. They're cooler than ours. Look, we got Baby Yoda on the back. You know, it's not really Baby Yoda, but that's what everybody says.
Do I get one with the crew?
Here, I'll take that one. Just don't stand right there.
I'll take it. I'll take the bill.
That's right. The reigning champ can no longer be
We
voted
were
in.
close behind you there. It's a hard
That's what I was just looking at. He on the trailer hitch.
He definitely dominated.
This guy and his dang old
He was-
trophy.
Like to thank my friends and family.
Hey, listen.
And all the people he paid off to
Yeah.
secure these 17 votes.
Yeah, he killed it today.
Yeah.
With the little kids and with the
And
people
dollar bills.
and with the people that didn't know anything about automobiles or Vanderhalls. He killed it with them. So good job, sir.
Guy getting pictures of his made-up award.
Michael Darnell's a senior.
One for a ride, and the one he chose, even though Hank didn't win, it's Connor's favorite. So they're going for a little ride in the Vanderhall.
He'll like all of it.
Say cheese!
Do what you want.
Connor! Cheese!
And just like that, we are back from another amazing day. I don't want to say the same thing every time, but that's kind of the YouTube way, to say the same thing when you start the show or when you start the video, and then say the same thing when you're ending the video. It works for everybody else, so I'm gonna keep doing it. So Vanderhall, amazing day as usual. I did not win the best of show award because Chad's got so much stuff on his car that all the kids love it. It would easily get voted for every single time. So what we've figured out is we're going to not allow the winner of the previous show to be voted for in the next show, because I feel like Chad's is going to get voted every single time. So yeah, we got to change it up. Otherwise, there's no point. Chad's just going to win every time, and that's done. Now, I got a couple tricks up my sleeve for the next time around, and hopefully that will win over the crowd with the couple of things I've got planned. Nothing actually of changing the car whatsoever, but maybe a way to sway some votes my way. As the neighbor kid, she's over there in the car waving to me as I film the outro to the video. So anyways, it was an awesome time. Chad won, took home the amazing NTVO trophy. I didn't get to film a lot because they had music playing, you know, licensed music from real artists playing over the little speaker that was right above us. So I couldn't really film a whole lot of the show and use the footage or the audio from it. So the little bit that I'm using, hopefully YouTube doesn't bust me for it and get mad at me for using the little bit of footage I've got. So didn't do a lot of filming for that, but no big deal. It was a fun day. It was kind of nice not to video a bunch of stuff anyways. So anyways, Vandertail turned out amazing. It's got a couple of bubbles in the wrap because it just doesn't stick to the printed material very well. But I'm going to fix that. No big deal. There's a little bubble here that keeps pulling up and one on the other side. I'm just going to put some more adhesive promoter, glue, whatever underneath there. I can actually pull these ends up because they're not really stuck down very well. And I'm going to go ahead and do that and take this back off. This was so quick the other day, yesterday morning. I had to do this so quickly that I didn't really get a chance to really stick down everything the way I wanted to. So I'm going to take that back off and redo it a little bit. Maybe, I may not even have to take it off. I might just be able to do it right here on the car. We'll see. But that's it. You know, hey, another good day. Another fun little show. This was the little mini show before the big Connor's Car Show we're going to go to. Obviously, they had invited us out to this. We were kind of the majority of the show, but we don't mind that. And we're gonna go to the big. We're gonna go to the big show here in a couple weeks, and we're gonna do a big video on that. So that one will be. I'll cover a little bit more of that. But Connor's the little kid that's in the video that got. He picked Hank's out of everybody's ride as his favorite, and got to go on the little ride with Hank. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna leave it off there. we're gonna, it's editing this video. I gotta mow my lawn before it starts raining because it's gonna rain later tonight or maybe tomorrow, whatever, for like the next week. So here goes our beautiful Texas weather I keep yelling about. But it's all right. My yard looks great, actually, from all this rain. That's such an old man thing to say. But I'm kind of old. So that's gonna be it for today. I'm done rambling on. This video has gotten long enough, I'm sure. So that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of light.